I'm Charles Sternbach, president of AAPG, and it's really exciting to be here at CERA Week. And as I represent 30,000 geoscientists around the globe, it's exciting to see how diverse and dynamic CERA Week is. We have representatives here from 70 different countries. We have young, we have old, we have all kinds of backgrounds. We have financiers, bankers, engineers, and as a proud geoscientist, I'm really glad that rocks and fluids and things that geoscientists know a lot about play a key role in the entire energy future. And what's also really exciting is we had some discussions yesterday about the future of exploration, and Luca Bertelli from ENI explained how even though the budgets for exploration conventional have been cut from $500 billion to $300 or $4 billion, $300 or $400 billion a year, how ENI has gotten a great amount of success by drilling fewer but better wells, and when they find things like the Zohr field, getting it to market in a record-breaking 28 months. We also heard Bobby Ryan talk about super basins, how going back to the Gulf of Mexico, a basin that just keeps on giving throughout his entire career, how there were times when there was very little activity in this fabulous basin, and then how it's been continuously revigorated by new technologies. For example, the hydraulic fracturing that's made the onshore unconventional plays possible in horizontal wells, and also the enhanced seismic imaging that's made subsalt and pre-salt possible, not just in the Gulf of Mexico, but in Brazil and places like the North Sea where there's basement highs. So it's exciting to talk about super basins. One of the things that I'm really thrilled about is the opportunity to work with talented people at IHS Markit, Bob Fricklin, Pete Stark, and to work together to put on a program, APG program, March 27, 28, 29th in Houston, here at the Hilton Americas, same hotel as CERA Week, on super basins. And we're going to have 20 experts from all around the world to talk about basins. And what I think is really, really critical is that many companies and individuals that are working in the energy business will work in one super basin, or maybe a couple of super basins if you're in a big company. But what we're going to do is we're going to have representatives from almost all of the top 25 super basins. And so what I think is exciting about this is we're going to learn what works in one basin, what could be applied to other basins. Geoscientists like to think in 3D, and there's a lot of lateral thinking. So lessons from different areas can be brought back to each individual's own basin. So it's an exciting conference. We're really looking forward to it, and I hope you'll be able to join us.